Well, good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome to Questbytes. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. I'm outside. The weather's not cooperating, but we make sacrifices for science here at Quest Integration. I'm back outside because we are going to revisit the Coke and Mentos reaction we did last week, but we have some twists, and we're going to get to that. But first, let's play Spot the Quapple. I'll put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find it. Let me know if you're able to. Let me know who's watching this morning. I'm making these a little harder because I've been told that that's way more fun. So if you don't like that, you got to tell the people that keep telling me to make them harder. 10 seconds left. We're able to find it. Garrett Klein found it. Cole and Amelia are watching. Hi, Cole and Amelia. All right, time is up. We're able to find it up there at the top right. Great job if you did. If you didn't, no worries. We're going to play next week, and I might mix the game up a little bit, so you're going to have to watch to see how I change things. So you may remember what we need for the Diet Coke and Mentos explosion, but I'm going to go over this again. You need a 2-liter of Diet Coke, some Mentos, and your safety glasses so we don't get soda in our eyes. And in case you missed it, last week we learned that Coke and Mentos, the reaction isn't a chemical reaction. It's actually a physical reaction. Since all the parts are still there, they're just getting rearranged a little bit. So this isn't like the baking soda and vinegar reaction we do for our volcanoes. The Mentos is simply helping the dissolved carbon dioxide gas escape from the soda solution. So we'll put that episode in the comments for you to watch if you missed it. It has a bigger explanation about what this reaction actually is. Well, today we are going to be showcasing some variable changes. Last week, I couldn't get quite enough Mentos in the bottle because the hole was too small and the reaction wasn't quite as tall as I wanted. Well, I challenged you guys to think of other ways to get Mentos into the bottle quicker, and our application engineer, Garrett Klein, designed and 3D printed me this attachment for my soda bottle. It's going to screw right on the top, and I loaded 10 Mentos into it. So I get to pull this pin, and 10 Mentos are going to fall into my soda. Pretty cool. You're going to like that. I'm also using a bottle that I cut the top off of because I also want to get 10 Mentos into that bottle. And we're going to see what happens. What do you predict will happen with the tube versus the open top? Well, we're going to experience some pressure changes. Creating this smaller hole won't stop the reaction from happening. The same amount of soda is going to come out, but its velocity or speed is going to increase. So in theory, it should shoot out of the part really fast and high in the air. That's because Newton's third law of motion says for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Since this open top isn't going to create as much pressure, it will probably look more like I overflowed my glass with fizz when I poured my soda. But I actually haven't tried it yet. So we're going to try it right now. First, though, I want to do a control. I want to show you what we did last week. I'm going to drop 3 Mentos, just like I did last week, into the regular bottle to see what happens. And I have my 10 Mentos, and I have my 3D printed attachment. So let's go see. I want to screw this on real quick, carefully, so I don't pull the pin out early, because then it would shoot right in my face. And you might think that's funny, but I don't think it would be very funny. It might hurt. So carefully screw that on. All right, that's good. Now, let's do the control. This is what I showed you last week. If I can get the Mentos out of here. The bag's a little bit, I could only get 1 in there, or 2. But you see, not as exciting. That's why we're gonna make some changes. It's still going. Now I have, whoa, no, don't go over there. I have 10 Mentos that I'm gonna drop into this bottle. Are you guys ready? I don't know if I am. See, looks like I overflowed my soda, or my can, with fizz. You know when you pour your soda too fast and it overflows? Not as cool either. Well, thanks to 3D printing, this one's not gonna be Disappointing. Are you ready for this? Looks like I didn't screw it on all the way. It's a soda fountain. That was so cool. What do you guys think of that? I kind of like that one a lot better than all the other ones I did. I'm a little dark. You can't see me. Well, I hope you learned something today. We'll actually share this 3D print in the comments so you can try this at home if you have a 3D printer. If you don't, we have great options for families to start with 3D printing. All of that information can be found on that link. I hope you have a great weekend. We won't be here for Questbytes on Monday, but join us for Try It Tuesday because we're going to be making a lava lamp in a cup. And if you haven't seen this online, it's very cool, and I can't wait to show you. So join us 9:30 on Tuesday. I'm a little winded. That was too exciting. So until next time, continue onward in your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.